This tutorial will show you how to register for classes at Oakland University. Click on My Sale at the top of the Oakland University homepage and log in using your net ID and password. Scroll down to the Registration and Degree Planning section and click Register Classes. A new tab will open, prompting you to log in again with your net ID and password. Click Register for Classes. Use the drop-down menu to choose a term and click Continue. To register from an advisor-created plan, select the Plans tab. A list of recommended courses will appear. If a sticky note icon appears next to one of your recommended classes, click the note to view an important message from your advisor. Click View Sections for a list of class options. Pay attention to the title, meeting times, and campus. You may need to drag the side of a column to view all of the information. If there are more than 10 available sections, you can use the arrows to move to the next page. You can also use the drop-down to show up to 50 classes per page. Once you find a section you would like to register for, click Add. Two windows will appear at the bottom of your screen. Be sure the action column reads Web Register and click Submit. The status will say Registered, and the boxes on your calendar will change to a solid color. To drop a course, select Web Dropped in the action column and click Submit. To continue registering for classes, click Return to Plan and your recommended schedule will reappear. Next, we will demonstrate how to choose a course when you have multiple options listed in your plan. If you have multiple course options to choose from, the same number will appear in the choice group column for each class. In this plan, there are ones listed in the choice group column for multiple courses. If you see this in your plan, only register for one course. Choose the course you like and click View Sections. Next, we will go through how to register for Corequisite Courses. Corequisite courses are classes that must be taken together. For example, Chem 1440, a lecture, and Chem 1470, a lab, are corequisites. You can't take one without the other. If you have corequisites in your plan, you will need to add all courses to your schedule summary before you click Submit to register. If you attempt to register for a course without its corequisite, you will receive an error message. To fix this error, add the corequisite course to your summary, and ensure the action column reads Web Register for both courses before you click Submit. Next, we will go through how to register for linked courses. A linked course is a single class that has multiple components. In this plan, we will look at Math 1441 as an example. Start by clicking View Sections, and a list of classes will appear. You will know a course is linked if it has the word linked in the status column. This means it has multiple components. When you find a section you would like to add, click View Linked to search for the other component of the course. Once you find an available section of the other course component, click Add All. Notice that the summary box has both components of Math 1441 listed before clicking Submit to register. Next, we will go through how to register for a general education course. General education courses are listed as @gen_ed in your plan. Refer to the attribute summary column to know which category to choose from. For example, This plan lists Gen Ed Arts area in the attribute summary, so we will need to search for a Gen Ed Arts course. Because @gen_ed is not a specific course, we will need to search using the Find Classes tab. Select the Find Classes tab and click the green search button. If you have a specific course you would like to register for, type the subject code into the subject box and the course number into the course number box. For example, if you would like to register for AH1001 as your Arts Gen Ed, type AH in the subject box and 1001 in the course number box. OU offers classes at multiple campus locations. If you would like to take classes at a specific campus, click Advanced Search to scroll down to the campus box and select a campus. Click Search and a list of sections of AH1001 will appear. To search for multiple course options within a single Gen Ed category, click Search again. Scroll to the top and clear the subject code and the course number boxes. Scroll down to the attribute box and select the category you would like to search for. For this example, select Gen Ed Arts area to see all of the course options in the Arts category. Click Search and a list of courses will appear. To register for classes in a different semester, click Select a term. Once you are finished registering for classes, log out of the registration system by selecting the silhouette icon and click Sign Out.